In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a printout of your bookings on Booking.com step by step. Let's dive right in and get started without any delay. To begin with, you'll need to open your web browser if you're using a computer or launch the Booking.com app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you have the application or web page up, log into your account using the email and password associated with your Booking.com profile. If you haven't logged in before or you've forgotten your password, take a moment to reset it using the available options. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard or home screen. This is where all the essential features and sections of your account are displayed. Look for the section labeled My Bookings. In this area, you'll see all your booked hotels and reservations neatly listed. It's essentially your personal itinerary showing both past and upcoming reservations. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll mention that this demo account doesn't have any active bookings to display. But don't worry, in your account, you should see all your details right there. Now, to print your booking confirmation, you'd need to select the specific booking you want to print. Click or tap on that particular reservation, and the details of your booking will open up. Look for an option that says Print Confirmation. Usually, this will be a button or link prominently displayed to ensure you don't miss it. Once located, go ahead and tap or click on it. You're almost there. The action you just took will open up your booking confirmation page, making it ready for printing. Just confirm your action and the page should display, now just a step away from becoming a hard copy. Alternatively, there's another straightforward way to get this done, through the confirmation email you've probably received from Booking.com. If you still have that email handy in your inbox, you can open it and print the reservation details directly from there. It's as simple as printing any other email, and sometimes it can be a more accessible option for those preferring to manage things from their email client. And just like that, you've successfully mastered the process of printing your reservation details from Booking.com. With these steps, you can effortlessly keep hard copies of your bookings, making it easier to manage and reference them whenever required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with more helpful guides and travel tips. Also, by turning on the notification bell, you'll be the first to know about our latest content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.